Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about only one CBA match. So Shenzhen Avitar versus Choju Banks. Okay. So Choju Bank players are there: Landsberg, Kiwanu, Dayo Cheng, Chopin Cheng, Zhuang Zhu, Wenbo, Lucy, Automation, and Yibo Wang and Jenny Zhang. I will tell fast everything because I will make short video. So until Nick Rakoskovic come in squad, Landsberg will be fire. So Landsberg you can see 44-12, 8 assists and 1 steal. He is giving point in every section, even he not given points in block section, but he can. Q1 is very dangerous player. He can shoot 3-pointer. He is a mainly ball handler. If anyone score, he only assist maximum time. So he is good with the defense, offense in defense offense. And Dayu Jang, remember, until Nick Rakoskovic come to score, Dayu Jang will be fire. Okay, if he made 5 fall, 6, 4 fall, 5 fall, how many fall he were made until 6, he can be play more minute because until Nick Rakoski come to squad. Shupeng Chen, his mid player, you can see his performance. Zhuang Zhu, Wenbolo, Zioto. These are last match performance. You can take screenshot of this. So and this is last match performance of Tianjin Pioneers. Okay, in this teams, yes, CU is Jinkai Meng, Clarence Trot, the Shuishi Zinzin, Benson Lee, Wei Lui Junior, and Linfeng Lee Yu Tian. These are the players are played last matches, and these are only available in the squad. So this team mainly dependent on his starters only, and starters only get more minute. Okay, so she who is very good with shooting player. Okay, like Damian Lillard, no, Damian Lillard, Duncan Robinson. So like that player, he is CU he. So if he is connecting points means he can give 30. If not connecting means he give around 20 only. So Jinkai Meng is a ball handler. He can give any. He is given as a forward, but he's a mainly ball handler. He can give points in every section. And clearance you can see is very dangerous. Last match given not last match not given more point, but he can be very dangerous because of T. Rodok. I problem with pronouncing his name. I will show while making team his name. Disha she is very good, and he's a central player actually. Dream 11 given a central player, but he's not a central player. He's a ball handler also. He's also another ball handler. And Zin is a good with defense, offense, every section he will give. And he's another ball handler. So maximum to Jinkai Meng and Zin. They are play around 3-point shoot line only. So Dishan who under, clearance T under, Shian and under play under 3-point line. Okay. So don't ever think to miss Benson Lee. That is Linton Lee. In the Dream 11, they are given name like that. So don't miss Benson Lee. Benson Lee is very dangerous. In his day, he can give 80 plus. But if you not dead, then also he will give 30 plus. So okay, Wheelo you can use for credit saver, and Lin Feng Lee you can use for credit saving. So I will show my Dream 11 team, and I will show important player and granular tips. Okay. In this section, Q1 O, CU He, Shupeng Chen, C Trotter, Waishi, T. So T not in squad. So only here Q1 O, C He, Shupeng Chen, Trotter, Ishi be not available. So 4 players are available. In this 4, Trotter was very important. Q1 O is very important. He important if he connect 2-pointer, 3-pointer continuously. Chen Shupeng no guarantee. On his day he can give 40. On if his day is bad, then he can give around 15 only. So 9.5 credit is more for him. So in a shooting guard, Yell Ting Kian, that is a Benson Lee. He is only Benson Lee. Don't ever only 90% people selected him, but don't miss him. He can give point in every section. Every section good height person. Every section he can give point. I don't know Ebo Young what happened to last man. May I think he is injured. So if he available in squad, we will think about him. But presently last match he was injured. So he given only I think so 0.4, 0.5 points. Yes, 6.3 point he given. Last match he was injured. And Zinlin also very good. I shown in his stats also. Sorry, Geotation not Zinlin. Geotation is there. You can neglect him because of he won't give more points to you, and he won't play more minute, and nobody available here. Landsberg. So until what we call Nick Rakoskovi, this player has to come. He only fire. Presently, Nick Rakosevic is not in squad. So Lansper will getting full minute and he's firing. So only reason because of that he's on fire. So and Edward not in squad. So don't miss Lansper. Lansper should be SP. Do not think and do not make nobody SP. Expect Lansper. Lansper should be your team SP and he's the punt. Edward not in squad. Venbolu. Okay. Only 16% people selected. But remember, Venbolu is a player in last season. He given every match around 35 points. And at that time Landspur like foreign players are not there. So Venbolu, Ibo Wang, these are player are they are giving continuously 35 points in last season, but I don't know what happened to this season. They are getting less time. Jinkai Meng, okay, player with having ability to give points in all sections. So don't miss Jinkai Meng also. And then power forward Zin also there, but 12 credit is more for him. Nick okay, this player is very important. Nick Rakoskovic is coming squad, then team will become totally different, because when he came in Dayu West, because Nick Rakoskovic is actually center player, not a power forward, is a center player. Then Dayu will get less minute, around 20 minute only he will get. So he is not available, so Dayu is getting more minute, and even of making fall also unwantedly he's playing, unwantedly he's giving points. I means the team unwanted to continue him, but there is no option to substitute Dayu even this Jiang, what is the Junhao Lai also not available in squad. That's why Dayo Jang only must pick. So don't miss him. And today nobody, no center strong player to stop Dayo Jang. Okay, who knows, he can give 50 plus also today. May I think. Okay, so the Nick Rakoski is important. Zhu Hangzhou was very important. One kind of center player only. He also collect rebounds and he also make assist. He also make blocks. Everything he will do. He's also one of the best player. So you can neglect any player, neglect down players all. And in last center section, Todorovic. So last 5 match he not played. Means I think so he is not available in squad or at so if he play means he's the one of the king. You see any match he cannot given 50 down. Only one other match to given, but he every match time he will cross 50. That kind of player is. So he's not available in squad. That's why Trotter will getting more. Trotter will getting more time. So Trotter as was firing, and the Dishwan she is a good, but the credit problem is come in this match. If you pick a Dishi, if you drop Dishi means credit problem won't come. So we will see while making team. And Dayu Jhang. So yeah, I already told Nick Rakoskovi not in squad. So Dayu Jhang is the one of the main center, and Junhaola also not in squad. So Dayu Jhang, if made fall also he will play because of squad. So and he is very good with blocks, steals, and rebounds, and having very good height. If you want to see today watch you live, he's having very good height. And here W. Lu Jr. He will play around 10 minutes. Expect 10 points from him. More than that, you don't expect. So these are the important points. And this Lin Feng also around play 8 to 10 minutes. Except around 5 to 6 point him also. So we will go with making team. So in this section, I'm going with Kiwano. My PP today my PP was Kiwano only. I'm going with him. And CU he and Trotter. Because Trotter was the only foreign player. If he start means I will make he as a PP. If he coming from bench means I will make PP as a Kiwano. Okay. And Benson Lin. So in this section I won't see any best players, so I am not taking. So Landspur was must pick Jinkai Wang also. Don't see percentage. Jinkai Wang is very important, as in 7.5 credit he will give around 30 points. And Nick Rakosko not in squad, so because of that Jhatzu and Dayojang will getting more time, so I will pick both of this. And I'm dropping the Shanshu. Even 3 catas left. If you want to pick means if you want to pick Dishan he is also problem for me, because if you have to take any bad players, so not I'm not doing that. No problem if credit left means no problem, because we picked all 8 good players, not any bad players. If credit left, if you want to drop SC and taking away see that If you drop SC, see which player is available. Ibawang injured, Venbolu no guarantee, Zinzin no guarantee. One option is there. If Nick Rakowski start means you can drop Dayojang and go with him. So no good players are available. So I am not going with this option. So this is my team. So my SP should be Lansbury. No, don't worry. And PP should be as per now Kiwanu. If Trotter start means PP was Trotter. So good luck guys. Final team will come in Telegram. Join our Telegram channel. The link is available in description.